Hey folks, welcome to verifiedinvesting.com. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist here. In today's video, we're going to look at Affirm, which reported earnings yesterday after the close. We're going to discuss why this is so bad, the fact that they monstrously beat earnings. And then we're going to look at the chart because in the game plan, my trading game plan that's Monday through Friday on the Verified Investing YouTube, I literally gave a level to short today and it's already paid out massively with the reversal in price on the stock Affirm, AFRM. So let's dive into it here, folks, and take a look. This was the level, and this is exactly the trend line and how it was shown in my trading game plan this morning. Look at this. I'll show you guys exactly what I showed in the game plan. A very crystal clear level right here. Pivot low right here. And again, you could see how this level hit, bounced, hit, tried to break, bounced, hit again, and then finally broke down. And what that tells us is when price gets back to that level, it will ultimately be resistance. And sure enough, we surged at the open on Affirm AFRM all the way up into that level, piercing it and then reversed. And now, by the way, what type of candle formation is this? This is a topping tail. In addition, I got to show you this. I didn't even show this to people in my trading game plan this morning, my show, but nonetheless, I wanted to reveal this to you guys. So you want to see a secondary factor. So this was great. I mean, listen, it worked like a charm. Beautiful, beautiful level. The stock is trading back to $89. That's a $4.25 gain already. And by the way, it's even gone lower than that. But the point being is that look at a trend line. Here's your previous high pivot. Then here's your next highest pivot right there, right over here. This was your next highest peak. This was your highest peak on either side here. Take a trend line, connect it through this high to that high, and look at what you get. Right exactly at that level. That is technical analysis 101 right there. That is amazing, folks. Absolutely amazing. Look at that level right there. Two factors, this trend line going right into that point. And sure enough, look at price just collapsing off of that level. Really cool stuff there, folks. This is why I love charts, because the diamonds in the rough that you can find can literally make you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. And this was traded in our live day trading room today. Over $5,000 gain right on this at verifiedinvesting.com. Again, the Apex live day trading room where we day trade, we swing trade, we don't long-term invest. We're quick movers, shakers in the charts. And again, check us out at verifiedinvesting.com. But let's discuss why. Why is Affirm's big earnings beat so bad? Because it's a buy now, pay later company. And so if you want to look at before big cycles top, before economies slip into recession, buy now, pay later. We saw this, by the way, in 07 into 08. We saw this even before COVID and even in 2021 before the 2022 bear market. Buy now, pay later. When people start to struggle, they still want to purchase things. They still have the bug to buy, but they can't afford, so they do buy now, pay later. All right. And that, again, is a big warning sign for me on an economic basis about the U.S. economy, the fact that these companies are doing so well. And by the way, it doesn't end well for these companies down the line, because when we do slip into a recession, people that do buy now, pay later, they just stop paying, right? And then what's the company going to do? Go repossess like a TV that's already used? Probably not. But the point being is it's an economic indicator of an economy that might be on the verge of taking a downturn. So just, again, be ready for that. But just flipping back to the chart on Affirm here, guys, such a cool chart. Look at this, coming even further. It's now below 89. And again, a topping tail right at this upsloping trend line and this major level. Again, I gave this level in my trading game plan this morning. And if you want to tune into that, don't forget, just simply either come to our homepage. It's live every Monday through Friday at 9 a.m. Or you can just search out Verified Investing's YouTube. Just search Verified Investing, and on our YouTube, it is live as well. Not on my channel here. If you're watching this, you're on my channel. But this show is done on the Verified Investing YouTube channel. All right, guys, I just wanted to enlighten you on this. So freaking exciting, but also scary for what it entails and what it tells us about the economy. We will keep you posted. I will keep you posted. Remember, all charts, and again, all charts and data, no BS. That's what we do here at Verified Investing. We make it into a probability game. When you do probabilities and you ignore emotion, you can make money more consistently and much, much more. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Take care.